In this work, we propose a creative tool that allows planning, editing, and visualizing dance shows. The system is fully integrated, promoting interactions between dancers, choreographers, and musicians. The musicians are responsible for composing the soundtrack, which is annotated by control signals used to synchronize musical and choreographic events. We use a motion capture system to capture the dancer's performance, which is guided by the musical measures. We use the measures to segment the acquired data and have the dancers annotate the dance steps. We propose an interface for choreographers, which takes as input both the music and the list of steps. This interface allows choreographers to determine the sequence of dance steps and the way the dancers move on stage as a group. Finally, we synthesize the specified motion to allow visualizations of the design performance. The interface is based on a timeline described by the musical measures and control signals. It allows choreographers to determine the dance movements by choosing steps from a list and sequencing them in the timeline. It also allows choreographers to declaratively specify the group motions by determining formations, evolutions, and segmentations. We specify formations by determining shape, density, and pattern, and create evolutions either using fixed formations, determining rules from initial conditions, or rules from boundary conditions. Notice how different rules result in different motions. In this work, we also explored procedural techniques for controlling the movements of the dancers on stage. Finally, we create a hierarchical structure that allows choreographers to cluster dancers and make specifications on these smaller groups. The output includes a preview of the resulting group motion and a 3D visualization of the dance. We synthesize the resulting animation by exploring the synchronization between dance and music. This allows us to efficiently apply signal processing editing tools and create a structured measure synchronous motion graph for combine and capture sequences. Here are some examples of how our authoring tools can be used. In the first example, we synthesize a sequence of ballet steps using a structured measure synchronous motion graph. In the next example, we illustrate how to create group motions based on declarative specifications such as formations and evolutions. Finally, we explore procedural methods based on steering behaviors. We consider the following structural elements: attraction forces, repulsion forces, spreading out on the stage, and crossing over. The choreographer sequences these elements along the timeline where they can be synchronized with the music.